Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is it good afternoon?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes.
Good
How many are
morning, ma'am.
sleeping there? Is there anyone sleeping?
No.
No. You are all ready.
No,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, children. Good morning. Okay. So, children, I hope you are ready with your math workbook, and I have sent the notes yesterday and today morning till question number 16. Yes. Now we will discuss your homework. Now we are learning chapter 3 numbers. Okay. And we discussed what is place value, phase value, and the expanded form. Okay. Now, what is expanded form? Who can give me the answer? Expanded form. Yes, Joanne. I want all the children to raise hands. Maybe some children, they will raise every day. It's not like that you had to do. We are repeating that every class. Yes, repeating the same play definitions every class. Okay, now who is going to tell me? Yes, Joanne, expanded form.
A number is said to be written in its expanded form when it is expressed as a sum of the place values of
Its digits. So children, you have to remember only how we can write a number in expanded form. A number can be written as the sum of the place values of the digits. That you have to remember only that word. Sum of the place values of the digits. Okay. Now, Hail Teresa, can you give me what is place value? Place value.
When a number is
Place value.
a number is a number gets its digit from the place it occupies.
Okay, each digit gets its value. Okay, each, yes, you are almost said correctly. Each digit gets its value from the place that it occupies, or means we can say the value is depending on the position in the place value chart. Yes, Sringa, can you give me what is face value? Face value.
The number itself.
Okay, face value of a number means it is the same number itself. Okay, Catherine, can you give me how many this 5-digit number? It is divided into how many periods?
2 periods.
2 periods. What are they?
Ones and thousands.
Ones and thousands. Okay, it is the 5-digit number. It is divided into 2 periods, ones and thousand. Adira, can you give me in ones period, which are the places? In ones period? 100, tens, ones. Okay, in ones period, children, we have 3 places. That what is that? Ones, tens, 100. Okay, Amaya, can you give me in thousands period? Which are the digits? Which are the places?
10,000 and 1,000.
10,000 and 1,000. Okay, in thousands period, we have 2 places. What is that? 10,000 and 1,000. Okay, now children, you can take your math workbook, page number 20. And we will discuss first the answer of 16B. That was homework. No? Question number, page number 20. Is it page number 20? Check. Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Page number 20, that homework. Question number 16th B. What was the question? Okay, we had to write the expanded form and number name. So it is 9, 3, 4, 6, 7. Yes, this was the number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
children, you can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. So before writing, you can write the number on top of that place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, children, now we discuss now it is this number is can be separated using a comma after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So this how we can read this number, Athar? What is the number name of this number? Yes, Siddharth. 93,467. Okay, very good. Now, Vaishnav, can you tell me the expanded form? 9 into, look here, 9 in which place?
Yes, ma'am. 9 into 10,000.
Very good. 9 into 10,000 plus
3 into
3
1000
into 1000. Yes.
plus 4 into 100
4 into 100 plus
plus 6 into 10
6 into 10 plus 7
plus
into
7.
1.
7
Okay.
into 1.
Now you children next place, next line you can multiply and write 9 into 10,000, 90,000 plus 3 into 1000, it is 3,000 plus 4 into 100, 400 plus 60 plus 7. Okay, so this is the answer to, that means this number to write in expanded form. We can write it as a sum of the place values of its digits. Yes, sum of the place values of the digits. Okay, Arjun.
Am I only join now?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me see who's joining here now. Let me see. Where is Aditri? Let me see.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I didn't. Okay. Yes, who's that? Arjun, give me the number name of this number. The homework, yes. Number name. Arjun Vinayak.
Okay, ma'am. 93,467.
93,000.
93,000.
400. 467. Okay, very good. 467. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I think here it's low system, so it's voice is less. I hope it's okay now. Yes. Number name 93,467. Okay, children. All of you got correct answer. Did you check your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Only we had to do the number name and expanded form. Is that clear? No confusion. Okay, Yuvan. Next question. Can you read question number 17?
Ma'am, can you disable the chat?
Yes.
You know only.
One
Ma'am,
minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Children, no need to send any message here now. Okay. No need to do any chatting here. Okay. Now, who was going to tell me question number 17? Yuvan? Yes.
The number of flowers in a shop A and shop B is given below. A shop A 50.
We have two numbers. Okay, 52163 and 74199. Okay, now what we have to do? These are the number of flowers in a shop A and shop B. Yes. Then
Separate the periods in the number and write their number names.
number name. Separate the periods means what? You have to place a what? Comma. Okay, that you know. After 3 digits from the right side. So you have to separate the numbers using a comma and you have to write the number name. Okay, we can do that together. It's question number 17, page number 20 itself. Page number 20, question number 17. So first number, shop A, question number A. We can write here shop A. 52163. 52163. Okay, I want to separate this number using a comma. Vedika, can you give me where I have to place the comma? After which number?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
After three numbers from the
1, 2, 3. That is after three digits from the right side. So that means you can say after 2 we can place the comma. Okay, so children, here we have this is ones period, and here we have ones, tens, and 100, and this is the 1000 period. In 1000 period we have 1000 and 10,000. So 10,000 and ones it is separated using a comma. So 52, 1, 6, 3. So after 3 digits, I will use another color, children, here. So after 2. So how to read this number, Ameya? How to read this number?
52,163.
Yes, very good. 52,000. You can write below the number name. 52,000. 52,163. 163. $52,163. Now question number B. Niharika, can you give me the number?
Yes, ma'am. Shop B 74199.
Shop B. Yes.
74199.
199. So where I had to place the comma?
After 4.
After 4. Okay. Now can you give me the number name?
74,199.
Very good. Okay. 74,000. 74,000. 199. 199. $74,199. 199. So question number 17, only we have to write the number name and you have to separate the number using a comma. That means separate the periods in a 5-digit number. So 74,199. So we will place the comma after 3 digits from the right side. Yes, children, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Alex, did you get the page? Alex Princeton?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where is your book? Page number 20. We are doing page number 20, question number 17. Okay. Now, Anne Maria, can you read question number 18? Question number 18. Yes, Anne Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 18.
Okay, ma'am. Form a number which has a 3 in the place.
Tens place. Okay, children, you have to form a number means you have to make a number, 5-digit number, and the place values are given. Yes. 3 in
3 in tens place, 5
Yes.
in ones place, 1 in hundreds place, and 8 in thousands place, and 18, 10,000.
10,000 place. Okay, children, here we have to make a 5-digit number. So we have to form a 5-digit number according to the place value of the digits. So first what we have to do, children, we can draw one place value chart. So it will be easy for you to place the number inside. Okay.
A place to draw the place value chart.
Small one, not very big one. Okay. Only 2 questions we have. Question number 20. So what do you
Can
do?
we do not 20, 18.
Question number 18. I said page number 20. Page number 20. Question number 18. Okay. So next we will write here ones. One small place value chart is enough. Tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay.
Ma'am, is today Wednesday or Thursday?
Today is Wednesday. Yes, why doubt? Okay. Now, who is going to read loud? Let me see. Aditya Krishna. Question number A. Can you read again? To place the number.
In the tens place, 5 in the
One minute. Again. Which number is in 10? Which number is in 10 place? 3 in tens place. 3 in tens place. Okay.
5 in ones place.
5 in ones place. Okay.
1 in the hundreds place.
1 in 100 place. Okay.
8 in the thousands place.
8 in thousands place.
And 8 in the 10,000s place.
Yes. Now 8 in 10,000s place. So children, it is very easy. If you draw the place value chart, you will not make mistakes. Otherwise, if you write the number in like different places, your answer will be wrong. Okay. Catherine, can read the number name of this? What is the number we have written here? Which is this number?
Ma'am, we want to write the number name 135.
Someone was talking in between. Please keep quiet. Yes, Catherine, again.
88,135.
Okay, 88,135. Okay. Yes, children, it is not compulsory that you have to draw the place value chart. Why I am drawing here? Because will be easy for you to write the number. We can place the number inside. Okay. If you don't have place, no need to draw. Very small one is enough. Okay.
Ma'am, I have drawn it in a side, so I can write the answer in the another side.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Sribhadra is showing me. Okay, Sribhadra. If no place, this is not compulsory. You can. Okay, next question number B. Arush, all others please be quiet and listen. Yes, Arush, read the question.
7
Arush?
in thousands place. 4
7 in thousands place. Okay, 7 in thousands place.
4 in tens place.
4 in tens place.
6 in ones place.
6 in ones place.
5 in the hundreds place.
5 in 100 place.
And 9 in the 10,000 place.
Yes, 9 in 10,000 place. Yes. Can you read this number? Which is this number?
97,546.
Very good. So children, 97,546. But if you change the number, for example, if I write 5 here and 7 here, 9, all the numbers will be different. So you have to read the question properly and do without any mistake. If you change one number here and there, your number will be different and it will be wrong. Yes. Sweden completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
two place value chart. Can we draw 2 place value chart?
Yes. You will be if you have place. Okay. Next. Who is going to read now? Srengas Asad, can you read question number 19?
Write the given numbers with digits in the correct correct places of the place value chart.
Okay, what we had to do, we had to just give the numbers in the correct place values of the place value chart. So here you have to draw the place value chart. Okay, children, we can draw one big place value chart and include all A, B, C, D in the same one. Okay, here write the given numbers with the digits in the correct places of the place value chart. Means what you have to do? You have to draw one place value chart.
Excuse
So
me,
here,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, for that 18 question, we only want to draw that place value chart.
Question number 18, it's not compulsory, but I told you, no, it will be helpful for write the numbers without any mistakes. So here in question number 19, they said you have to draw the place value chart. Means you have to place the number inside the place value chart.
Like this.
100, tens and ones. Now we have children A, B, C and D. Here we can write here A, B, C and D. Question number A, you have to place it here. Question number B, you can place it here. Question number C, then question number D. All the numbers we will draw in the same place value chart. We have to, yes. Can you see the board, children, clearly? So what you have to do? You have to draw the place value chart and include all the questions here, A, B, C and D. Atharv, can you read the question again? Question number 19.
Write the given numbers with the digits in the correct places of the place value chart.
Okay, so first one, question number A, which is the number?
56,000.
So we have to, just give me the digits, then we will read later. 5,
4, 1, 2.
5, 6, 4, 1, 2. We have to do only this. You have to place the number in the place value chart. Okay, Atharv, now you can read the number.
56,412.
Very good. 56,412. Okay. Next, Prarthana. Give me question number B.
24,910.
First, give me the number 2, 4.
2, 4, 9, 1, 0.
Okay. So, how to read this number?
24,910.
24,910. Okay, very good. Aditri, can you read question number C?
Ma'am,
Question number C.
38,000.
38. Okay, 38. 761. Okay, now read the number.
38,761.
Read again.
38,761.
61. Okay, so 38,761. Yes, Asad, give me the last number.
11,458.
Okay, so 11458. First, place the number inside. How to read the number again, Asad?
11,000.
458. 11,458. Okay, now only this much we have to do. So, children, you can read the 5-digit number. That first two places, that is the 10,000s place, 56,412. Next question, what we have to read? 24,910. Then 38,761. And the last number, how to read that number? 11,458.
The next question are we doing now?
Yes. Question number 19.
Ma'am, question number 20 are we doing now?
Why?
I'm just asking this time.
There is time. Yes,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can do one more question because we have time. Okay. Now, question number 20. Advaita. Advaita Sanesh. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Total amount of money if you have 20 note of rupee 100,
Mm.
3 note of rupee 200,
Two, three notes of
2000
2000. Yes.
and
Mm.
5 note of rupee 10.
10. Okay, we will do only question number 8 today. So children, this is calculate the total amount of money, that addition and all we will study in the next chapter. But here we have one question. Only it is from money. So 20 notes of 100. Okay, so we will write together. We will write question number 20. So it is written 20 notes. See, children, you have to write A and B. So you have to allot the places according to that. Okay, only some, I think 6 lines there. So you have to write from these 6 lines, you have to do A and B. So today we will write only A. So B also you have to give space. 20 notes of rupees 100. 20 notes of rupees 100. So total how much amount? 20 rupees. So we have children here. 20 into what is that? Rupee? That is 100. 20 into 100.
2000. 2000.
20. Then we have to
2000. 2000.
20 into 1000. So here we have 20 into, then how many zeros to be added? 2 more. So you can write rupees 2000. See children, try to write in the same line. I told you we have to write A and B also. Rupees.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1000. Next line, what we will write? How many notes of 2000?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Can you
Hmm.
that tools?
Ah,
Ma'am, can you move that tools?
okay. Just I was trying here.
Ma'am, I should say he can on his video.
Okay, Arush. I think now some network issue. He joined again now. Okay, so here 20 rupees of 100. So what we have to do? 20 into 100 multiply and write. What is that? 2000. Okay, try to write in one line. Otherwise, you will not get space. 3 notes of. Look at the question and tell me.
2000.
Okay. 3 notes of rupees 2000.
2000.
What is the answer? 3 into 2. 3 twos are
8000.
3 twos are 6. 6. 3 twos are 6. Then how many more zeros? We have 3. So
3.
what is this?
6000.
6,000. 6,000. Now, which is the next number? 5 notes of rupees 10. If you want, you can write these two in one line also, no problem. If you have space. 5 notes of rupees.
5 notes of rupees 10.
So total how much amount? 5 into 10. 50. Yes. 50. Now what we have to find out? Calculate the total amount. Calculate the total amount means what we have to do? We have to add all this. How many total rupees? 20 notes of rupees 100 plus how many 2000 rupees? That is.
Can you show the board?
Yes, I will share the board. Wait. 3 notes of rupees 2000 plus 5 notes of 50. You have to find the total means you have to add all the numbers here. Okay, total amount. Total amount. We have the first one here, that is 2000 plus 6,000 plus,
there are only 3 lines left.
huh?
There are
That's why I told you in the beginning, children, you have to write 2 steps you can write in the same line. Okay, otherwise you will not get
But
it.
there's no space to write 2 steps.
in the last.
Okay, now can you add that and tell me the answer?
In the last of every word.
8,050.
6 plus 2, 8. 8,050 rupees. 8,050.
50.
Only this much we will do today. Okay, question number B we will do in the next class. So children, you can see if there is no place, you can write everything here in the same line. Okay. You can do this calculation
Okay, ma'am.
in the rough book and you can write only the answer also. That also possible. Okay. So 2,000 plus 6,000 plus 50 is equal to 8,050. Clear? Here just we are learning only the number name, but we only one question we are doing from money, that is to add the amount, add the total amount. Okay. Now I'll take your attendance. Children, did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I want to stop here because some voice, no, here this voice is low. So I want to see your face also. So anyway, I will send this in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, that's all. This number is very easy. Yes. Huh? Catherine, what?
Table the chat.
In the beginning.
Dhananjay was there in the beginning. Okay, children. Okay. So children, we have completed till question number 20 and see if there is any doubt you can ask. And but whenever you do this expanded form, number name, everything, you have to be very careful about the digits. You have to count the number of digits. Do with concentration. Okay, children. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.